Super Stitch Nation. Today we're going to be doing a wall mat reupholstery job for Mountainside Fitness. They were given some black wall mats and they want them light gray. So I wanted to point out how the factory did these. They just have one piece of vinyl with some pretty complex pleats going on here. Lots of stuff going on. It looks like they actually started on this side here and wrapped around. We're not going to do it that way. I'll show you a couple things. First of all, we're going to be using K-Tex Gray that we got from Keystone. We're going to tear them down, and instead of wrapping it with one piece, we're going to put a couple strips on this side here. And then we're going to tuck the vinyl under here, and then we're going to wrap it all the way around and staple on the end. And then the finished product will actually look like this one right here. So this is actually going to be the top. This part will face up. We just got a couple of simple pleats on the end. This part will face down. No one will see these staples because it's about 6 to 12 inches off the ground. If I was doing black vinyl, then I normally color the end of these staples black, just so they're a little more hidden. So I'll go ahead and staple this one on right here, and we'll call it a day. Okay. I've actually found it better to put the pleats on the bottom. It's been a long time since I did one of these, so I actually forgot. That last one I put the pleats on the side. But what can happen is if you put the pleats on the side, once you start butting these mats together along the side of the wall, it actually, the thickness of the material will create a little gap in there. So it's actually better bottom. These are just 4-inch strips. This material comes 60 inches wide. So I just ripped it right down the center. Let's see, I'm gonna rip up that. Now here's the tricky part. Actually, sometimes it's easier to do this if the material's rolled up. Got a couple inches in. I think I actually cut this material a little too long. too long. So the trick is making sure it's tight. Without having any wrinkles. I've always started from the center. Sometimes when you first start doing these, you'll pull everything evenly and then you'll have a big fat wrinkle in it. It took a while for me to figure out, but I always start in the middle. Now I come back, get these pleats. I like to put a little relief cut in there. And then I try to make sure this is like a 90-degree angle right here and a nice pointy corner. Where things can get tricky is when you have some real old beat up foam. And then, well, you'll find out. It's not easy. Sometimes I'll even use my scissors to kind of get that angle where I want it. We won't spare you the rest, but that's it right there. That's how it looks. Practice makes perfect. Good luck.